Go tell Bobby wrong, them fill out ganja man, loud the marijuana hustlers. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Listen be a policeman, listen up them conversation. Them plan to put a roadblock opposite the police station. You better change up your plans, go roll a spliff and all a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs and then me get division. Me jump in on the van. Now me drive through Maraval Hills with the thing in a the van. Me move swift, me not take no chance. Me a carry this straight to the Digo man. A 50 breaker sitting with me bring for the man. Marijuana hustlers, marijuana smugglers. Me tired fi tell dirty Babylon. Them fi free ganja man and woman. Give me more farmland. Stop burn down the plantation. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation. About a roadblock opposite the police station. You better change up your plans, go roll a spliff and all a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs and then me get division. Me jump in on the van. Marijuana keep you out of trouble. Me like my bubble and hear the water a bubble. Them say me smoke too much weed. Me too humble, me ever stand firm so me nah go stumble. Tell Babylon a fire in a bundle, me ever fresh. Yo me nah go crumble. See the youths a get locked up for a spliff and then get fined too. You know see the police boy I do. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them, ha. But them plan to put a roadblock, ha. Yeah man, it's mad. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation. Alright. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation about them opposite the police station. You better change up your plans, go roll a spliff and all a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs and then me get division. Me jump in on the van. Me drive through Maraval Hills with the thing in a the van. Me move swift, me not take no chance. Sadiq him carry this straight to the Digo man. 50 breaker sitting with me bring for the man. Marijuana hustlers, marijuana smugglers. Me tired fi tell dirty Babylon. Them fi free ganja man and woman. Give me more farmland. Stop burn down the plantation. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation about a roadblock opposite the police station. Go and go change up your plans. Me roll a spliff and all a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs, ha. Marijuana keep you out of trouble. When me light my bubble and me hear the water a bubble. Them say me smoke too much weed. Me too humble, me ever stand firm so me nah go stumble. Me ever fresh, never steal, me nah go crumble. Take dirty Babylon a fire in a bundle. Cause youths a get locked up for a spliff and then get fined too. And I see the police boy I do. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann. Yeah man, play it back again man. Yeah man, this song brand new. I'm not read them again. You mean? Say. The ganja man, no? Go tell Bobby wrong, them fill out ganja man. Loud the marijuana hustlers, Me get a call from Shelly-Ann, she said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation. Them plan to put a roadblock opposite the police station. You better change up your plans. Me roll a spliff and all a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs and then me get division. Me jump in on the van. Now me drive through Maraval Hills with the thing in a divan. Me move swift, me not take no chance. Me a carry this straight to the Digo man. 50 breaker sitting with me bring for the marijuana hustlers, marijuana smugglers. Me tired for tell dirty Babylon. Them for free ganja man and woman. Give me more farmland. Stop burn down the plantation. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann. She said don't leave where you're there. This is be a policeman, listen up them conversation about a roadblock opposite the police station. Go and go change up your plans, go roll a spliff, hold a meditation. Me smoke up the herbs and then me get division. Ha! Marijuana keep you out of trouble. When me light my bubble and me hear the water a bubble, them say me smoke too much weed. Me too humble, me ever stand firm, so me nah go stumble. Me ever fresh, never still, me nah go crumble. Tell dirty Babylon a fire in a bundle. Cause you ta get locked up for your spliff and then get fined too. You know see the police boy idle. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann. She said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen up them conversation about a roadblock opposite the police station. Go go change up your plans. Alright, listen to the first verse again. Now me drive through Maraval Hills with the thing in a divan. Me move swift, me not take no chance. Sadiq him carry this straight to the Digo man. 50 breaker sitting with me bring for the marijuana hustlers, marijuana smugglers. Me tired for tell dirty Babylon. Them for free ganja man and woman. Give me more farmland. Stop burn down the plantation. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann. She said don't leave where you're there. Be a policeman, listen out them conversation about a roadblock opposite the police station. One go change up your plans, go roll a spliff, come go meditation. Now me get division. Ha! Marijuana keep you out of trouble. When me light my bubble and me hear the water a bubble, them say me smoke too much weed. Me too humble, me ever stand firm, so me nah go stumble. Me ever fresh, so me nah go crumble. Tell dirty Babylon a fire in a bundle. Cause youths a get locked up for your spliff and then get fined too. You know see the police boy idle. Me get a call from Shelly-Ann. She said don't leave where you're there. Me see be a policeman, listen out them.